Boy, am I excited to share something with you guys. What do we have right over there? On the left side, we have a leave a message sign with the identical message on the right side. Some of the things that stand out to me is look at the base on this one right here. The base is much thicker than the base on this one here on the left side, okay? So that's one thing that really stands out to me. Now the wording, of course, the same font looks identical. This looks like a warmer white, which I really love. And this is nice and bright, which you can see from across the room at the wedding venue, anniversary, birthday, whatever the event is. One thing I really like about this sign right here is that it actually comes with a dimmer. Okay, check out this dimmer right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn up the brightness all the way to the top. And I want you guys to get a visual here. And I'm just gonna hold it down and it starts getting bright right away. And that's going to be the brightest we can get it at. I like it somewhere in the middle, so I'll reduce it maybe by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's nice right there. So I like the one on the right. It comes with the dimmer. Both of these go connected to the outlet, as you guys can barely see right over there because the light is low here. But if you guys are interested in adding one of these products, just know that this is a great investment. It's a smaller investment, of course, but the audio guest books, guys, think about it. When it comes to weddings, they're definitely gonna want an audio guest book. And you'll notice that most likely in your area, not a lot of people are renting out this audio guest book. So it's wise to get going right away with your SEO and be ahead of the curve so that when people start leaving you reviews for the audio guest book service and you start getting more traction for the audio guest book service, rental service that you're offering, you're gonna be the one on the very top of the Google page. So if you guys are interested in buying any of these products, they will be available in my store. And right now I have a promo going on the audio guest book. This is the model that I highly recommend. It's way more durable, it's fancier, it's gorgeous. So the code, I believe, is ring. That's gonna give you a discount code. And also guys, like I said, we are gonna be pushing this neon sign right here that really complements the audio guest book service. Everything else is gonna be in the linked place below. If you guys are on the Patreon page, I will give you additional discounts when it comes to shopping on my online store. Take care guys, and I hope you have a great time on your next event. Go ahead and continue being creative and scale your business. Peace.